Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today I'll be demonstrating how to create this piped floral buttercream cake. I'm starting off with a 7-inch cake sitting on a 10-inch cake board. My cake has been already stacked and crumb coated. I'm going on with a final layer of buttercream frosting in pink. Smooth out the sides and the top, and then here I have a number 104 piping tip, a floral nail, and a square piece of baking paper. Create tiny arches with the skinny side of your piping tip facing away from you and turn your floral nail at the same time. If you'd like an in-depth masterclass on how to pipe flowers using a 104 piping tip, we've prepared a class, and that can be available in the link in our bio if you'd like to check that one out. Continue creating as many as you need. Some of these are going to be in half form. This particular cake design was inspired by a photo that was sent to me by a friend. For those of you who decorate cakes, be sure to leave your business name as a watermark on your photo so people know who created the particular cake, especially when someone's looking to make an order and whatnot. More often than not, they'll come to the original creator. For the cupcakes, I have created a nice flat surface with some buttercream and my offset spatula. And then directly on that, while it's still nice and wet, I'm applying some flowers that I piped. You can also create little rosettes on the surface as well. And then adding in all these other little floral elements to fill in. Using a very large 104 style piping tip. I'll have the number of these tips in the description box below or above, depending where you're watching. It's creating these super large arches that meet in the center. For the leaves, I like to use a 352 piping tip with some green buttercream. Into the fridge they go to set, and now we can finally get to work on the main hero of this video, our floral cake. With a super tiny circular piping tip, I'm going to create these little green lines to work as stems for our flowers. Try to make them all look different. I have a few different heights in the little stems. And then sticking my flowers on with buttercream. You'll notice I can handle them with my hands, give them a bit of a wriggle. I can press down on them and the flowers remain beautifully shaped. That's because I had them sitting in the freezer for a few hours. This makes them really easy to handle without messing up. If they start to soften out, because it does take a while to get them on the cake, you can just put them straight back into the freezer, wait about 20 minutes, and then continue decorating. For the leaves, you can use another 352 piping tip, or you can just use that same circle tip and just create these little lines that flow off underneath the flower and coming out from the stem. And that's it. That is how you create this really fun floral cake using a 104 piping tip and buttercream the whole way. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and give it a go. Again, if you'd like to learn cake decorating, we have a dedicated piping class for the 104 piping tip. I'll leave that in the description box for you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.